I talked about the different types of numbers we have in Python. For this episode, I am going to break down each and every type of numbers into detail. We are going to start with the integers. Int or integer, we have said that it is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals of unlimited length. For example, let's say x can be 1. You can also have another whole number that is an integer of any given length like that. We also have another number that can be negative, represented as negative, any whole number that you can ever think of. That is how to represent the positive numbers, or these are the examples of a positive number. For a floating number, we said that a floating number is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. So, for example, we can write x equals 2 point, the number that you can even think of. We can say y equals, you can write of any figure, and we can say z equals to negative 0 point any number. Then lastly, we have to further on this, a float can also be specific numbers with an e to indicate the power of 10. For example, we can write x equals 89. E in this case symbolizes the power of 3. Also, we can write y to have something like 12e to the power of 6. We can also have z, which is equals to any negative number to the power of 100. Lastly, we have complex numbers. We have said that complex numbers are numbers that are written with a j as the imaginary part. For example, you can say x equals 2 plus 6j. For this case, j is the imaginary part of that particular number. You can also write y equals to 5j. We can also write z equals to a negative number j. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next episode. Those are the types of numbers we have in Python.